Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can use the Deepstash Offline tool. So the Deepstash is a tool where you can literally have the explore the world based ideas. You can check ideas and basically you can know a little bit of knowledge about anything in the world. So here what you could do is there is a couple of things that you can try to use this application for free, and basically not for free but for offline. It's not going to be free at all because it will cost you $6 per month, so you can get it, and it should be built for 69.99 per year, and you could read it for free. Like, you can get the full experience for free, as you can see. Not for free but offline, that's what I tried to mean. And as you can see here, never worry about spotty connection. No internet connection, no problem. Within the mobile app, all your ideas are available even when offline. So to get this app, you simply have to click on start today here and simply go ahead and download it in your app store. So once you download it in your app store, click here to continue, and once you do that, you would have to buy the premium plan. So the premium plan is gonna cost you around $6, so 5.83, and once you buy it, you can now save your ideas and basically go back to them offline without having the access to the internet connection. Of course, for those who are willing to be paying it for the full year, then of course you paying the 69.99 is gonna save you a lot of money, around $19. So this is a good deal for you to go for in case you are interested in that. And yeah, other than that, that's the only way for you to use the Deepstash application on your mobile or PC with the no connection feature for around $5.83. Yeah guys, thank you a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye.